this video, we're going to be doing a quick technical analysis breakdown for Grab Holdings. Ticker symbol is GRAB. So I'm not going to dive deep into the fundamentals here, but just a quick overview. Grab Holdings is essentially think of it as like the Uber of Southeast Asia. So they're based in Singapore. They're growing very quickly, and they have a pretty pretty big footprint out there. So um, that's all I'm going to say about the company. I want to tell you a little bit more about what I'm seeing here on the chart. So we've got the monthly look here for Grab. You can see that it's essentially had this big drawdown since IPOing in 2021, and it built out this big base from May 2022 up until August of 2024. So almost 2 years of just building this base. You can see that we have giant ascending triangle. We broke out of this stage 1 base on high volume, and we tested the top of the base, and we during the pullback the correction that we saw in April, it tested this trend line here, and now it looks like it's moving up nicely. So we're seeing some nice volume on the monthly side here. If I pull up the daily chart for Grab, you can see that it's been basically consolidating since November of 2024. So that is 8 months or so of consolidation. Yeah. And the moving averages have started to kind of flatten out again here, but it looks like we're coiling up potentially to move up higher. So if we do break out higher, then that would be a stage 2 breakout. So that can lead to a very explosive movement for this company. You can see that we have a lot of empty space here, so it's got some room to fly. And we've got if I draw some lines, we've got our downtrend line here that we've hit once, twice, 3 times, and now it's the 4th time. Typically, when you have these lines, whether or not it's a downtrend line, any type of trend line, it usually breaks on the 4th attempt. So this is the 4th attempt right now, and we're seeing increasing volume on consecutive days. We've got this inverted head and shoulders pattern. So that looks very good here. If we can close the weekly candle over this line, then that would be very positive for Grab. So we'll see. We'll take a look. I do think something big is going to happen soon for this company. That's just my opinion. Now, if we break out, which looks like we've already done here, but if we see a bigger breakout, then let's talk about where our measured move targets would be. So there's a couple ways to do that. The first thing you can do here is you can put a line from the head to about this leg. So you have the first leg followed by this pullback, and then now it's the second leg. So if you take this line and you move it over here, we're looking at about $6.44 potentially. Another way to look at it is to take your fib from the swing high to the swing low, and when you have these kind of breakouts, it usually goes to about these 2.618 level. So that's $6.50. And then another way to do it here is you can take the distance from the head to this line, and then you would just move that up here to where the breakout would be, and that would take us up to $7.25. Ultimately, this move that could be coming to grab can be a very big move, so just keep that on your watch list. It's been building for quite some time now that we've been consolidating here for 8 months in this stage 2 base, and after consolidating in this stage 1 base for almost fucking two more than 2 years or so. So just keep an eye on it. Again, this is not financial advice, not trading advice, not investment advice. So please do your own research. But just wanted to keep this name on your radar. So thanks for watching.